Hello everyone, next presentation regarding biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on earth. Biodiversity is typically a measure of variation at the genetic, species and ecosystem level. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of the warm climate and high primary productivity. Biodiversity is not distributed evenly on Earth, and its richest is the trophies. These tropical forest ecosystem cover less than 10% of Earth's surface and contain about 90% of the world species. Marine biodiversity is usually highest along coast in the Western Pacific, where sea surface temperature is highest, and in the mid latitudinal band in all over ocean and sea life. There are latitudinal gradient in species diversity. Biodiversity generally tends to cluster in hotspots and has been increasing through time, but will be likely to slow in the future. Biodiversity definition: totally of genus, species, and ecosystem of a region. That is, all over depends on genetic system, species system, and there are the region system. In our India or in our country, the different level region, at there is number of peoples is going to be born in different genetic level. Genetic diversity is the variation of genes within the species. Whenever we thinking about the human life and animal life, these are shown in their slides. The contents regarding biodiversity conservation, that is the biodiversity. Second one is levels or types of biodiversity. Third one is values of biodiversity. Fourth one is hotspots of biodiversity. Next, criteria of determining spots. Next, threats to biodiversity. Next, conservation of biodiversity. In that particular, that is in situ conversion and ex situ conversion. That is SITU. We have to be consider. We have to be seen that in detail in next slide. And last one is that is the importance of biodiversity. In species diversity, the number of different species that constitute the entire biological spectrum on Earth, which has to be shown in figure. In the animal life, there is a bird's life, which has to be available in our Earth, and that ecosystem diversity is diversity of ecological complexes or biotic communities a in our Earth. It is not regarding only animal life, birds life, human life. It is also regarding tree life. It is also regarding farm life. There is, which has to be freely available in our nature. This all over biodiversity is going to be related. Rapid environmental changes typically cause mass extinctions. More than 99.9% of all species that ever lived on Earth, amounting to our 5 billion species, are estimated to be extinct. Estimates on the number of Earth's current species range from 10 million to 14 million, and over of which about 1.2 billion have been documented and 86% have not to be described. More recently, in May 2016, scientists reported 1 trillion species are estimated to be on Earth currently, with only 1,000 of 1% described. The total amount of related DNA base pairs on Earth is estimated 50 billion tons. In comparison, the total mass of biosphere has been estimated to be as much as the 4 millions in July 2016, and scientists reported identifying a set of 355 genes from the last universal common ancestor of all organisms living on Earth. The biodiversity hotspot have This hotspot concept is coming from British ecologist, that is Norman Mailes, in 1988. Criteria for designing an area as hotspot. The richest in that particular criteria, the first one is richness in endemic species, that is 1500 endemic plant species, 0.5% of global total. And second one is impact by human activities, must have lost more than 70% of its original habitat. Biodiversity is the variety and differences among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which the area part. It is virtually synonymous with life on Earth. Biologists most often define biological diversity and biodiversity as the totality of genus, species, and ecosystem of a region. The biodiversity found on Earth today consists of many billions of distinct biological species, which is the product of nearly 3.5 million years of evolution. The hotspot is 25 major hotspots together represent 1.4% of the Earth's land area. They contain 44% of all plant species and 35% of all terrestrial vertebrate species in the world. Number of hotspots in India, that is Indobuma, which is in earlier eastern Himalayas, and second one is Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, that is second, and third one is Himalayas, which has to be newly added in that particular list. Levels and types of biodiversity. First one is community and ecosystem diversity, that is different level habitats is including in that, that is nature, species, interactions. These are including in first type. Second one is species diversity. In that particular system, the different kinds of organism and relationships among species. The third one is genetic diversity, that is the different genes and combinations of genes within populations. These are three levels or three types of biodiversity. Western Ghats, which has to be shown in each and every Maharashtrian and each and every Indian people, that is also called Sahyadri Hills. Vegetation types is scrub jungles and grasslands at low altitudes. Then second, dry and moist deciduous forests and ace mountain grasslands and sholas. These are all our Western Ghat level locations, and where tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forest is going to be available in Sahyadri mountains. Then complex topography, high rainfall and relative inaccessibility regions to retain rich biodiversity. And 4,780 species of flowering plants in 15,000 in India. Diversity of traditional crop, plants and animal life. Endemic species and amphibians, freshwater fishes and invertebrate groups, which has to be including in biodiversity. Rapid environment changes typically cause mass extinctions. The age of the earth is about 4.54 billion years. The earliest evidence of the earth dates of lists from 3.5 billion years ago. That's why the all our system is going to be developed step by step. Since life began on Earth, five major mass extinctions and several minor events have led to large and sudden drops in biodiversity. So these are all our information regarding biodiversity system. Then this biodiversity is contains, again, it is a variety of life on earth. In all it forms the all our system in all its interactions. If the sounds biodiversity is going to be used, if that sounds biodiversity is broad, that's because it is. Biodiversity is the most complex feature of our planet and it is most vital. Without biodiversity, there is no future for humanity, says number of scientists. Biological diversity, but the huge global biodiversity losses now becoming apparent represent a crisis equaling or quite possibly surprising climate changes. More formally, biodiversity is comprised of several levels, starting with genus, then individual species, then communities of creatures, and finally entire ecosystem, such as forests or coral reefs, where life interplays with the physical environment. These interactions have made Earth habitable for billions of Earth. Community and ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity refers to the diversity of a place at the level of ecosystem. This has three respective. First one is alpha diversity. With community diversity, alpha diversity refers to the diversity of organism sharing the same community or habitat. Second one is beta diversity. Between community diversity, it refers to the diversity of organism sharing two habitats. And third one is gamma diversity. Diversity of the habitat over the total landscape or geographical area is called as gamma diversity. Indogoma, that is called also Eastern Himalayas, that tropical Asia east of the Ganges Brahmaputra lowlands and excluding Malaysian region. So that's why it all over covers an area of 2 lakh. This all over area is going to be covered. System is going to be completely expanded the different level tropical Asia, and this completely covers or excluding all over rivers, seas, or any other mountains which has to be cover different level natural things, and it's completely covers a long area which has to be beneficial for development of biodiversity. Species diversity in refers to the variety of species within a region. Species diversity is an index that incorporates the number of species in an area and also their relative abundance. It is generally a much more useful value than species richness. A more physiological way of viewing biodiversity is this: it represents the knowledge learned by evolving species over millions of years about how to survive through the vastly varying environmental conditions Earth has experienced. Seen like that, experts say the humanity is currently burning the library of life. Biodiversity profile of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. So second largest nation is in Asia. India is the second largest nation in Asia. So land frontier is 15,200 kilometers and coastline is of 7,516 kilometers. One of the top 12 mega diversity countries. There is the India. Genetic diversity is it is a level of biodiversity that refers to the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species. It is distinguished from genetic variability, which describes the tendency of genetic characteristics to vary. Next, number of plant species which has to be including in our country. These are the all over marking, or whenever we going to be study about all our inspections or all our reports, then we have to be getting this information. Species indices, that is among plants, is 33%, and this endems among animals is mammals low only 45 species, 44 species, birds is low only 55, then reptile high 187, then amphibia that is high 110. That is national parks is total 89, and wildlife sanctuaries that is 497, and tiger reserves that is 27. In that particular system, the 37,761 square kilometer. Value of biodiversity is, in particular biodiversity, the different things is involving, that is food, drugs and medicines, fuel, then social values. In particular food system, about 80,000 edible plants and about 90% of present day food crops have been then domesticated from wild. This first. Second one is drugs and medicines. About 75% of world's population depends on plants and plant extracts. Third one is fuel. Forests have been used since ages and for fuel wood. Fossil fuels are also products of biodiversity. Social value, that is many of the plants like tulsi, lotus, people, etc. are considered holy and sacred. Then about 2.1 million species have been identified till date, while many more species and believed to exist. India's position that is 10 in the words, and 14 the Asian thermoseries, that is a plant diversity is. These are the all over important points regarding biodiversity, that is the values of biodiversity. Biodiversity is going to be generated, or biodiversity is available in our India, that is the category regarding bacteria, algae, fungi, leeches, that is the bryophytes, then petrophytes, then gymnosperms, that angiosperms, and photozoans and molluscs. These are the number of categories. In that particular categories, each category have the number of species, and which is to be available in percentage wise, which is to be shown in above figure, in above table. The number of again categories available, these are the number of categories, and their number of species and percentage is also available here. This information going to be getting regarding all our reporting or investigations from the biodiversity plan or organization. Hotspots of biodiversity have, which is to be shown in map, which is to be available in our country or in our India. A biodiversity hotspot is a biogeography region with a significant reservoir of biodiversity that is threatened with destructions. An area is designed as a hotspot when it contains at least 0.5% of plant species as endemic. Then there are 25 such hotspots of biodiversity on a global level, out of which two are present in India. These are Indo-Burma, that is earlier the eastern Himalayas, and the western Ghats, that is Sri Lanka. These hotspots, covering less than 2% of the world's land area, are found to have about 50% of the terrestrial biodiversity. Comparison between number of species in India and the world. These are number of species which is to be available in India, and number of species which is to be available in the world. So these are the information, and their percentage also available. Biodiversity profile of Kerala. The area of this particular region is all over shown in above slide, and 1.2% of the total geographical area of the India, which has to be in Kerala. The Kerala have the largest amount of forest system is going to be available there, so that's why it have 1.2% of the total geographical area of India. And coastline is 560 kilometer coastline. Next, altitudes up to 2694 meter above missile. Then mountain upload is going to be used, that is the forest biodiversity is 48%. Animal diversity in Kerala. There is number of animals is available in Kerala in forest, and their number of species is also available. In that particular animal group, there is insects, freshwater fishes, amphibians, then reptiles, birds, mammals. These are all over animals is going to be available. Criteria for determining hotspots. Number of endemic species, that is the species which are found nowhere else. So degree of threat, which is measured in terms of habitat loss. The next, Indo-Burma, that is Eastern Himalayas hotspot. Next, the hotspot includes all of Cambodia, Vietnam, then Laos, and nearly the entire areas of Thailand, Myanmar, and Bhutan, as well as a part of Nepal, so far eastern India and extreme southern in China. In addition, it covers several offshore islands including main and island in the South China Sea, and the Andaman Nicobar and island in Andaman and Nicobar island in Indian Ocean. Indo-Burma is one of the most threatened biodiversity hotspot due to the rate of this resource exploitation and habitat loss. Then Western Ghats and Sri Lanka. Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, also known as the Sahyadri Hills, then encompasses the mountain forest is the southwestern parts of India and on the neighboring island of Sri Lanka. The entire extent of hotspot was originally about 1,82,500 square kilometers, but due to the tremendous population pressure, now only 12,445 square kilometer is going to be available in present conditions. The important population include Asian elephant, Indian tigers, and endangered lion tail, that is macaques. Biodiversity ecosystem services. The first service is apart from fuel, shelter, medicines, and other resources for our survival, the vital services like is available. First one is maintenance of water supply. Second one is water regulation. Third, groundwater recharge. Fourth, soil formation. Fifth, prevention of soil erosion. Sixth, reduction of soil salinity. Then next, nutrient cycling. Next, waste treatment. Next, climate regulation. Next, gas regulation. Threats to biodiversity. Extinction is a natural event, and from a geological perspective routine. In last country, human impact has been so severe that thousands of species and varieties are becoming extinct annually. Some of the main causes are habitat loss, degradation, and fragmentation. Habitat loss and degradation are major causes of species extinction. So, affecting 89% of all threatened birds, 83% of mammals, and 91% of the threatened plants exist globally. That is the reporting from since 2000. Next, the main causes of habitat are agriculture activities, then mining, development of human settlement and industry, etc. So these are all our information regarding biodiversity conservations at the basic level. If you have any doubts, then you can mention your doubts in comment box. Thank you.